Hey everybody, this is Beatrice with my second attempt. I don't know what happened to the last resin. I'm not sure whether I mixed it up properly or not, but this is the second one. Just putting in my resin, 35 degrees Celsius. As usual, I'm mixing my bloom 3 drops, mixing that up, getting a little bit warm, so I'm rushing, and I've speeded the video up a little too, so So the colors I've chosen for this one is basically apricot and raspberry. I use Decorom alcoholics because I think they really spread really well. I do have quite a few others, but I find this one the best for spreading, that is. That's the apricot and the raspberry. The mold that I'm using, they're just beautiful molds. I can't really, I've nearly got most of them now, but there's still a few to go. From Julie Cuts at Pouring Your Heart Out. I think she's in Queensland and I'm in Melbourne. So it takes about a week to get here, but oh gosh, I treat them like gold. So just swirling a little bit because I want those petals in that section. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. Or I'm really struggling to build this up after 4 years of not doing anything. Looking after mum, and it was a handful. So I'd really appreciate it if I could get your support. So that's the first layer of petals, then I go again. I wanted sort of like three type, like layers of petals. Just pulling them in and doing a swirl so I don't get the blobbies in the middle. I mean, I like the look of the gold stones that people put in, but I don't know, it seems to, when you do your flower, the stones seem to come to the top and it sticks to the front, and it just looks separated from the flower. So I'd rather the swirl. Some of my flowers don't have swirls, but I wanted one on this one. And it gives that 3D look on the inside. That's in bloom. Here's a little piece I did with left over resin on my last attempt. I'll tell you about it a bit later on. Sorry, I forgot to press the play button, so I've demolded it. And this is what's the results. That is so beautiful. Just look at that. And the background, it's a deep, deep burgundy, and I put a tinge of black in it with marabou rainbow, so you can see a little bit of a sparkle or a glitter. I'm not sure if you can see it. You can see it there. The window is shining a light through, but that's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Best one yet. So I'm going to make that into a bowl. Now I did one and it came out disaster. I mean, the flower came out beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, but I don't know what happened with the resin. Maybe I didn't mix it enough or something, but look at that, just little pieces. I don't know what it was. I really can't understand it. If anyone has any ideas. So I don't know what that was, but I put it into a bowl and I set it. I can use it for my bins and stuff, but that came out absolutely gorgeous too, but sadly I couldn't use it. So yeah, that's beautiful. So hence this one. Where's my bowl? So this one is ready to be put into a bowl, and I'll set it. But that came out gorgeous too. That's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. All right, hope you enjoyed that one. Talk to you soon. Love you all. Bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This little one I made with this bowl with the leftover resin, and didn't that come out cute? The little rocks on the side. I took the purple so it'll look like amethyst, and I did a little bloom in the middle. Isn't that cute? It's so beautiful. I just put a light purple backing on there. But that's so cute. And this one I did with leftover also. And I did a Petri effect on this one, which is pretty. But, and there's little, if you can see, little Petri effects there. But there was a lot of, a little bit of, like, colors mixed too much and became, yeah. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It looks pretty. Well, thank you. See ya.